What is a muse in today's time? A muse today is not a distant figure draped in myth, but a living current moving through the ones who choose to listen. They are masters of the unseen arts, not because they chase inspiration, but because they make space for it, wide open, honest space where breath can expand and spirit can soften into form. They understand creation as a practice of presence, the way a brush meets canvas with quiet intention, the way music rises from the chest before it becomes sound, the way hands hover over what hurts and offer warmth without words. A muse in this age is a keeper of the healing arts, knowing that the art of living itself is the greatest masterpiece. A movement of stillness, a prayer woven through daily gestures, a meditation held in the rhythm of inhale and exhale. They breathe, and life rearranges itself around that breath. They notice the sacred in the ordinary and let it pass through them without resistance, transforming everything they touch, not by effort, but by presence. They are both vessel and flame, reminding us that inspiration is not summoned, it is allowed. A muse can whisper secrets only open hearts can hear, pulling inspiration from the quiet, drawing brilliance near. They stir the colors in your spirit, make your every doubt unloose. But here's the truth beneath their magic: you, yourself, are the muse. A muse can guide your trembling hands to paint what words can't say, can turn your breath into a song that lights another's way. They lift your weary thoughts to skies where hidden dreams produce, yet every spark they bring to life begins inside the muse in you. A muse can turn your healing into art the world can feel, show you how your deepest wounds are pathways meant to heal. They take your quiet prayers and shape them into strength you can't refuse, because the power that transforms you is the power of your inner muse. You are the one who breathes creation, letting sacred visions rise. You are the flame, the guide, the echo carried through the skies. The muse is not a distant being granting favors you must choose. It's the voice inside that whispers softly, you were always your own muse. Love, Olivia.